Hi, good evening everyone. Welcome to Unacademy, India's largest learning platform. And in today's session, we will be talking about how to delete a node from the singly linked list. And after that, we'll also learn the implementation of stack using the linked list. And finally, we will be wrapping up the concept of singly linked list by discussing the drawbacks of singly linked list. And after that, tomorrow I'll be taking a session on previous year questions on linked list. So, बच्चे जो majority questions है those are asked from the singly linked list, but yeah, definitely we will be covering the concepts of doubly linked list as well. So before starting with the session, let's discuss that what this Envision batch is. So this Envision batch basically targets on GATE 2021, and this is an English batch course in which daily we are having 7 sessions of 1 hour each duration, which starts at 4 p.m. till 11 p.m. So the duration of this batch is 7 hours, in which currently general aptitude, discrete mathematics, computer networks, data structures and programming, compiler design, operating systems and algorithms is going on. So as you can see that I have started with the concepts of data structures and programming, from which programming concepts are already over. And on the basis of that, we had solved the previous year questions as well. Then we had covered the concept of arrays, stacks, queues, and now we are covering the concepts of linked list. And tomorrow we will be discussing the previous year questions on linked list. Similarly, for the data structures that we have already covered, for those also I had discussed the previous year questions. So if you want to join the live sessions on data structures and programming, which is very important subject from GATE as well as from placements point of view, join the session daily at 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Right? And in case if you want to follow the special classes, so special classes mein bache you can find out the sessions on the programming concepts which are important from placements point of view, but those concepts are not asked in the GATE exam. So you can follow those sessions on the special classes. To follow those classes, you can follow my Unacademy profile link, and the link is available in the description box, and special classes are also free of cost. And currently in the special classes, computer organization and architecture is going on, and you can also refer to the plus course that I had covered on the Unacademy, which is a paid course. You can also refer to that. And to join those courses, you can download one of the very important app that is available on the Play Store and the Apple Store, that is Unacademy Learning app. So download this app as you are a learner. So make sure that you are downloading the Learning app. By downloading this app, you can access to the interactive live classes. You can follow the recorded sessions. You can participate in the live quizzes, test series and so on. So these are the benefits of downloading this app. But yeah, as you are a learner, so only this app will be useful for you. Other app is for the educators at this moment, that won't be beneficial for you guys. And in case if you want to get the subscription to cover the whole syllabus in detail, or you want to join our crash course, then we have 2 types of subscriptions. One is the Plus subscription and other one is the Iconic. Plus is the basic plan to get started with, and Iconic takes your preparation level to the next level with the help of the personal coach. First of all, I'll be talking about the benefits of the Plus subscription, and then I'll be talking about the benefits of the Iconic. One thing is for sure, whatever benefits you are getting in the Plus subscription, those benefits are included in the Iconic subscription as well. So Plus mean the most important benefit is you will be able to access unlimited interactive live classes. This means that whatever session you are attending, in case you are finding any difficulty, you can directly interact with the educator. You can ask your doubts, queries, so that you get the clarity over the topic. These sessions are taken by India's best educators. Your queries will be handled by the India's best educators. Apart from this, structured courses and PDFs will be provided to you. Live tests and quizzes are also included in the Plus subscription. And by any chance, if you have missed any live class, in that case, you will be having an opportunity to attend the recorded sessions. And in those sessions, if you will be finding any difficulty, then you can ask your queries in the doubt solving sessions. Now, what are these doubt solving sessions? These doubt solving sessions are nothing but, this is every 4th session which will be just targeting on resolving your queries and practice. So in this session, we won't be learning any new concept. Just this session will be dedicated to the doubts and to the questions practice. So Plus course and iconic courses are designed in such a way that every fourth session will be a doubt solving session. So these are the benefits of the Plus subscription. And iconic, along with these benefits, some additional features are there, like you will be getting a guidance from the personal coach so that you get to know that in which direction you need to put in the efforts. Apart from that, personalized test analysis would be done. Study planner will be provided to you, and the most important is study material is also included in the iconic subscription. So you will be provided with a preparatory study material so that you need not to waste your time in exploring the stuff, and also this will contains the practice questions. Hi, good evening Nishu, very good evening Sahu, right? So I hope the benefits and the difference between the Plus subscription and the iconic is clear to everyone. If I talk about the subscription plans, under iconic we have 1 year plan and 2 year plan. 1 year subscription plan is for 50,250 and 2 year iconic subscription is for 74,000. But if you are going to apply this referral code, this is my referral code, my first name, SHEFALI Shefali. So by applying this referral code, you will be getting 10% discount. This means that for 1 year iconic subscription, you just need to pay 45,225, and for 2 year iconic subscription, you have to pay 66,600. So here we are paying, you are going to pay 20,000 rupees extra. So if you look at the duration gets double but not the price. तो प्राइस में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस आ रहा है, एंड इतने डिफरेंस के साथ बेनिफिट्स क्या मिलेंगे? If you are in the second year or third year and you are going to start your preparation from the second year or third year of BTech itself, so you will be getting a benefit in the semester exams. How? Semester exams skip नहीं कर सकते हो आप. Semester exams तो देनी है. Benefit is whatever syllabus, whatever subjects are included in the GATE syllabus, those are the core technical subjects of the BTech which are included in the curriculum of second year or third year. Second year or third year means third, fourth, fifth and sixth semester. So anyhow you have to write the semester exams. If you have covered the subjects in detail, definitely you'll find that writing the semester exams is easy. Okay, you without putting in extra efforts, without going for the subject-wise coaching, easily you can score well in the semester exams. Along with this, as you know that third year students can also write the GATE paper. So give your 100%, write the GATE paper and see what score you are getting. If you are getting a good score, then enjoy your fourth year. Just semester pe focus karo, year complete karo and join whatever you want to join. And if by any chance you are not satisfied with your GATE score, then you will be having one more chance of writing the GATE paper in the fourth year. And this way you can improve your GATE score without putting in extra efforts. And also, if you are interested in the placements, then you can include your GATE score in your resume so that it gets shortlisted. And then you have to go through the various rounds of the placements like the written round, coding round and the interview round. So placements की preparation भी करनी है मैम fourth year में. कैसे करेंगे? Placements के लिए you need not to put extra efforts, because placements point of view से जो भी subjects important है वो कौन से subjects है? Core technical subjects which you have already covered during the GATE preparation. So easily you can get the placements, and if you are interested in the PSUs, then you will get the benefit in the PSUs as well, right? And now let's talk about the Plus subscription. In the Plus, we have some plans. By joining those plans, you can join our crash course. Okay. So first three plans are basically beneficial for the students, those who have covered some of the syllabus and targeting on coverage of some subjects. Then in that case, you can choose among these three plans. And in case if you want to cover the 100% syllabus in detail, then I'll suggest that choose among these three plans. So 1 month subscription is for 49.50 after applying the referral code. 3 month subscription is for 12,375. 6 month subscription is for 22,275. 12 month subscription is for 27,225. For 18 months you have to pay 34,650. And for 2 years you need to pay 39,600 instead of 44,000. Okay, so this is all about various Plus subscription plans. Hope this is clear to everyone. Yes, So according to your requirement, you can opt for any of the plan if you want to cover whole syllabus. So in this, you will be getting the guidance from the experts, and also जो भी आपकी queries हैं, those will be handled, and definitely the 100% syllabus will be covered, जिसकी YouTube और special classes में कोई guarantee नहीं होती. जो भी topic उठाए, definitely उस topic से related all the concepts will be covered. But ज़रूरी नहीं है कि सारे topics cover हो पाएंगे, right? And if you want to get to know more about this, you can fill out the feedback form, and definitely our team will get in touch with you. And also the benefits are mentioned in the description box, so just go through it once. Alright? So let's crack it. Are you ready for the session? As already discussed that what is the agenda for today's session. But in the last session, we had discussed that how to insert a node in the singly linked list at different locations. Somewhere traversal is required, somewhere traversal is not required, and whenever you are writing a code, you have to cover all the possibilities, all the possible cases. So we have written the code for inserting a node at the beginning, inserting a node at the end, insert a node after a particular node, insert a node before a particular node with 1 pointer, with 2 pointer, everything we have covered. And yeah, on the basis of this, they may ask such kind of question in the numerical answer type questions, like they'll give you some scenario and they'll ask that how many pointers need to be adjusted. Or sometimes they'll give you the order of the sequence where you have to adjust the pointers in order to insert a node. And yeah, definitely somewhere order matters and somewhere order doesn't matter, right? So they'll give you multiple options and they'll say that both the codes are true, one is true, other one is false, both the codes are false, and so on. This way multiple options can be formed on the basis of that, right? Any doubt till this point? See, जो भी बच्चे doubts है, you can ask in today's session, because tomorrow I'll be taking a practice session. Although कल वाले session में भी आप पूछ सकते हो, but I'll suggest कि आप questions को try करो, so that कि कल वाले questions जब कल वाला session आप attend करोगे, you'll get more clarity. So first of all, let's discuss the case of deleting a node, last node of the linked list. I want to delete a last node of the linked list. So in this case, first of all, let's consider the linked list. If the linked list is empty, that is the start pointer is containing the null, in that case, can you perform the deletion? No, we can't perform the deletion because linked list is already empty. There is no last node available in the linked list. How can we delete a node? We can't do that. So that is one case. One case is for when linked list is empty. Other cases, if the linked list contains only one node in the linked list. So if only one node is available in the linked list, let's assume that its address is 1000. Then in that case, S is holding the address 1000. So if you are going to delete, this is the first node as well as the last node of the linked list. And when you are going to delete this node, in that case, linked list will become empty. So in that case, you need to adjust the start pointer. Empty linked list is represented when the S is containing the null value. Hi Rahul, right? That is second case. This is case 1, this is case 2, and third case is in which you need to traverse the linked list because we have to delete the last node of the linked list. So to find out the last node, we need to traverse the linked list. Yes, so that will be the third case. These are the three possibilities. Before adjusting the pointers, let's talk about one of the important point. See, whenever we have to insert a node in the linked list, first of all, we need to create a node. Node की creation कैसे हुई है? That is using dynamic memory allocation. For that, we have used the malloc function, right? So this means that whenever node is required at that point of time, a node was created. When it's deleted, it's no more required. In that case, need to free the space to deallocate the memory. Allocation memory की कैसे हो रही है? By making a call to the malloc function, and deallocation is done by the free function. So in the free function, you need to mention that what location, what node you want to deallocate. You want to free, right? So here we need to pass the pointer to the node to which you want to delete. अब जो भी deleted node होगी, definitely it will be containing some, let me create here a linked list. This is for case 3. And let me keep this as for case 2. This is case 2. So S is pointing to the first node. We need to traverse the linked list. So we need to mention that which node we want to delete. So let's assume that this node was created at location 1000, this was created at 2000, this was created at location 3000, and this is pointing to the null because this is the last node of the linked list, and this is holding the address of the next node, that is 2000, holding the address of the next node, that is 3000, and let's assume that the data is 10, 20 and 30. Now, I want to delete the last node of the linked list. First of all, we need to reach to the last node. This means that for that, we need to traverse the linked list. Traversal ke liye, I have told you one point. Don't ever move the start pointer itself. Maintain a copy of the start pointer. Let me take this as Q. Q is a copy of start pointer and move this. So if Q of next is not equal to null, then it will point to the next node. Q of next is not equal to null, it will point to the next node. Now Q of next is equal to null, so you can write that I want to free the memory which is allocated to a node which is pointed by the pointer variable Q. Okay, after deletion of this node, this is freed. Okay, if you want to print this data before making a call to the free function, before that you can print the data. If you want to return this value, whatever is available in the last node, you can copy that data in some variable and return that variable. If whatever you want to do, just copy the data. After that, this node I want to delete. So if the last node gets deleted, what about this node? The second last node becomes the last node, right? If this node gets deleted, so this node will be the last node. Last node is always represented by the next pointer because its next pointer is pointing to the null. Now, how will you refer to this one? There is no back arrow. No back arrow. So if you are using the concept of, either you can use the concept of 2 pointers or you can use the concept of 1 pointer. यही बताया था आपको, बट 1 पॉइंटर में बच्चे यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम आएगी बिकॉज पॉइंटर एडजस्ट करने के लिए आप बोल दोगे क्यू ऑफ नेक्स्ट इज इक्वल टू नल, तो ये बाहर आएगा, राइट? So this is the second last node. You can adjust the pointer here, that is q of next is equal to null. But इस location को आपने free करवाना है, तो its address should be present in some pointer variable. So this means that we need to take 2 pointer variables. We need to write the code using 2 pointers, right? So that's why I have declared here 2 pointers P and Q, where Q is a copy of the start pointer, Q is a copy of S. P we have declared to maintain the copy of Q. तो जैसे Q next node पे जाएगा, before that copy will be maintained. Q will be going to next node, copy will be maintained. So free Q करवाना है, so P of next will be updated to null. So that's why we have taken 2 pointers. So P is taken to maintain the copy of Q. Before incrementing before updating the pointer variable Q, you have to maintain its copy in the P, and then you can update the values. So Q is a copy of S, so Q is getting the value from the S. This is the initialization for a pointer variable Q, and P will be getting the initial value as null. So first case, if the linked list is empty, S is equal to null. In that case, it will be printing that linked list is empty and it will exit from the function deletion is not possible. Hi, good evening, Lavjeet. After that, If S of next is equal to null, this means that this is the code for one node. Only one node is available in the linked list. In that case, it will simply free S. S का मतलब क्या है? S is holding the address of the first node, so it will free the node which is available at the location 1000 and S becomes null. Please teach us in Java also, because there is no concept of pointer over there. See Himani, this session is under the Envision batch, and Envision batch is targeting on GATE 2021, and in the GATE syllabus we don't have Java. Okay, so under this batch I can't take the sessions on Java. I won't be discussing the concepts of Java. Alright. After the GATE exam, definitely we can plan for that, but not at this point of time. So that is second case. Third case, otherwise, linked list is not empty. Linked list is containing more than one element. So in that case, we need to traverse the linked list. Kab traverse karoge? While Q of next is not equal to null. Yes, condition is true. Before moving this pointer, you need to maintain the copy. So P के अंदर value क्या आएगी? Whatever value is available in the Q, and then Q is equal to Q of next. So these are the two adjustments. After that, once it is pointing to the last node, so P will be pointing, P of next will become the last node. So P of next will be pointing to null. ये link break हो गया. I'm so sorry. Okay, so this link, let me erase this. So this link is over. After that, you can free this node. So it is free Q and Q is equal to null. So this is how you can delete the last node. So यहाँ तक आपको कोई problem नहीं है, right? Just how to create different cases and how to traverse the linked list. I hope that is now clear to everyone. You guys are comfortable with this. And after that, just we have to release the memory location. And if you want to copy the data first, so you can copy the data, for example, y is equal to p of data. If you want to use that data, you can do that. So this is optional statement. If you want to include this or you want to print this data, you can. Right? So this is how you can delete a last node of the linked list. Similarly, if I want to delete the first node of the linked list, first node of the linked list. Again here, we need to form the cases. First of all, identify the cases. If the linked list is empty, in that case, deletion is not possible. So we need to maintain one case when the linked list is empty. Case 1. Second case, linked list is not empty. If linked list is containing only one node, then the first node will be deleted. If linked list is containing n nodes, then also first node will be deleted. This means that in no scenario you need to traverse the linked list. किसी भी केस में traverse तो करनी नहीं है, तो इस केस में आपके पास सिर्फ दो ही cases बनेंगे, when the linked list is empty and linked list is not empty. Not empty. So if the linked list is empty, this means that S is equal to null. So it will print that linked list is empty and it will exit from the function. Otherwise what will happen? Let's consider the linked list. This is the linked list with some 4 nodes. This time I will not be taking 3 nodes, otherwise you will be like, ma'am, is there any specific reason that every time you are taking 3 nodes? So let me take this as 4. Let's assume that these nodes are created at, and this time I am going to change the address locations. It's 100, 200, 300 and 400. कोई reason नहीं है बच्चे इसके पीछे, आप कोई भी addresses consider कर सकते हो, and S is pointing to the first node. That is, pointer variable S is holding the value 100. It's a pointer variable which is holding the address. Now let's assume that the data is 10, 20, 30, 40. This is the last node of the linked list. it is pointing to a node which is available at location 200, 300 and 400. If want to delete the first node of the linked list, simply I want to delete this node. So free करवानी है memory. First of all, this should be pointed by some pointer variable. Let's take q, which is pointing to the same variable. Q is also pointing to the first node. तो q के अंदर value क्या आएगी? Whatever value is available in the pointer variable s. After that, now if you want to delete this node, so this s should point to 200. ये 200 address आपको कहाँ से मिल रहा है? This is available in q of next, or you can also call this as s of next. So s की value क्या update होगी? First of all, you have initialized the q, and after that s is updated with the value. Now s first node delete होगी, तो जो भी आपके पास second node थी, now that becomes the first node of the linked list. So s will be pointing to s of next. S of next is what? 200. 200 will be available in the 2. So S is pointing to this one. Rest everything remains same. No need of traversing the linked list. अगर आपके पास एक ही node available होती, that is only one node is available, 10, and this is pointing to null. So in that case, S will be holding what value? After deletion of this node, S will be pointing to null, that is available in the next part. So this will work for both the cases when a linked list contains n nodes or linked list contains one node. So q is equal to s, s is equal to s of next. So this link is broken now. Now you can free this memory location and q is equal to null. What if we are out of memory? In that case, t is equal to what will be? See, in malloc function it will return null. So इसीलिए whenever we have created a node, जहाँ पे मैंने get node function लिखा था, there I have exclusively mentioned that before initializing the values, first of all we need to check whether malloc has created some memory or not. If memory is created, then we are getting the address of that memory location. If memory is not created, in that case initialization is not possible. Otherwise it may give you a segmentation error. Right? Lavjit, I had discussed this case, I guess in the second session. Part 2, linked list part 2 mein, you will be getting all these concepts. Right? So this is about the deletion of the first node. Last node is over. बीच में से कोई random node delete करनी है. In that case, what needs to be done? Now we want to write a code to delete a node with data x from the linked list. अगर data x वाली node को delete करना है, first of all you need to search for that node. You need to search for a node with data x. So again there will be multiple possibilities. First thing is, if linked list is empty, no node is available, so node with data x won't be available. That is case 1. If the first node itself contains the data x, that will be the case 2. If first node is not containing the data x and n number of nodes are available in the linked list, in that case we need to traverse the linked list. So these are the 3 possibilities, 3 different cases. Right? So again, definitely yes, we need to take 2 pointers. So why we need to take 2 pointers? Let's consider a linked list. First case mein I am assuming that n number of nodes are there. First of all, you need to search for a node with data x. This is pointing to null. This is holding the data 10, 20 and 30. No node is containing a data with x and this is pointing to the next node, pointing to the next node. So this needs to traverse. It will start from the S, maintain a copy, that is P. P of data is not equal to null and P of next is not equal to null, so it will jump to the next one. Linked list is over and it has not found the data with node with data x. So in that case deletion is not possible. Other cases हो सकता है कि आपके पास node with data x is available at some random location. So whenever p is incremented, so in that case you need to adjust this pointer, or let me take x here. Last node deletion already we have seen. This is let's assume y. This is y. So p of data is not equal to x. So and p of next is not equal to null. So it will be incremented. So if you got the node and that is pointed by p is pointing to a node with data x. I want to delete this node. First of all, we need to adjust this pointer. इस node को कोई भी variable point नहीं करवा रहा है and p can move in the backward direction. So we need to maintain the copy of p which will be pointing to the previous node of p. So when p will be incremented, q will be maintaining its copy. So this means that we need to consider two pointer variables. So p and q are declared here. In this case, p is a copy of s and q is holding the address of previous node of p, or you can say that this is maintaining the copy of p. So p is initialized with the s and q will be initialized when q is equal to null. First case, when the linked list is empty, s is equal to null. This means that linked list is empty. It will print that the linked list is empty and it will exit from the function. Otherwise, if first node itself contains linked list is not empty, that is the else. Else ke andar further we have two cases. If the first node itself contains the data x and we need to and second case is corresponding to this if we have the cells where we need to traverse the linked list. So if the first node itself contains the data x, so s will be pointing to s of next, free p and p is equal to null. This code is same as that of deletion of a first node. Deletion of a first node. Otherwise, if first node is not containing the data x and linked list is not empty, so traverse the linked list. While p of data is not equal to x and p of next is not equal to null, so p will be pointing, p will be moved forward to point to the next node. But before that, we need to maintain the copy of p. So these are the two statements. Now it will be coming out of this while loop. Either it got a node with data x. So if p of data is equal to x, then perform the deletion. So q of next is this location. This will be pointing to the node which is available at 300. What is that? That is nothing but q of next will be getting the address what? That is available in p of next. Just we need to adjust this pointer and then free the memory. Otherwise, if it is coming out of this while loop but p of data is not equal to x, this means that you have traversed the complete linked list. You have reached to the end of the linked list but didn't found any node with data x. And in that case, it will simply print a message that x is not present in the linked list and it will exit from the function. Right? Else, if के बाद curly bracket is available. बच्चे क्योंकि space less था, so that's why यहाँ पे formatting जो है that is not proper, but brackets are matched. Clear भास्कर? If के बाद बच्चे यहाँ पे bracket है. Alright, so this is all about deletion, deleting a node from the singly linked list. So is there any doubt in the insertion or deletion? Yes, no? I hope that now it's clear to everyone where we need to take. Although brackets are properly mentioned, but in case if you are finding difficulty और आपको लगता है नहीं है, then you can add it. Okay? बेसिक फॉर्मेटिंग आपको मालूम है इफ एल्स कैसे वर्क करता है, प्रोग्रामिंग कॉन्सेप्ट्स हमने डिटेल में डिस्कस किए हुए हैं. सो आई गेस दैट इज नॉट अ टॉपिक फॉर द डिस्कशन. You know that how to mention, how to use the brackets, how and where to place if and else. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है? Great. So let's move on to the implementation of stack using linked list. We have already covered the concept of stack, but there we had implemented the stack concept using the arrays. But now we have to implement the stack using the linked list. Stack के अंदर we have one variable, pointer variable, that is top, which is maintaining the position where a new node is inserted and from where to delete the element. Right? And apart from this, what is the property of stack? That is last in, first out or first in, first out. कैसे implement करेंगे with the help of singly linked list? So let's understand that concept. For example, initially stack is empty. जो node first in, last out. So first of all, we need to create a new node. Okay, let's create a new node. Top is initially pointing where? It is pointing to null. This means that no node is available. So create a new node, get a node x with data x. Let's assume that with data 10 a node is created. So new node of data में क्या आएगा? If memory is allocated, malloc function से कैसे memory check करनी है? You can do that. New node of data will be updated to what? It will be updated to x. जो भी वैल्यू, जो भी नोड आपको लिंक लिस्ट में, स्टैक में जो भी एलिमेंट ऐड करने, जस्ट क्रिएट अ नोड विद दैट पर्टिकुलर एलिमेंट. न्यू नोड ऑफ डेटा इज इक्वल टू एक्स. व्हाट अबाउट द नेक्स्ट पार्ट? नेक्स्ट पार्ट में क्या आएगा? इट विल बी कंटेनिंग, since this is the first node, so by default we know that this should be pointing to where? It must be pointing to none. See, pop element, if you want to pop out the element, तो top of stack पे जो भी node available होगी, address will be available in the top. So now this node is created with the data with the next part as null. Let's assume that this is created at the location 1000. Now top will be pointing, top किसको point करेगा? Since a new element is inserted, so top will be pointing to the new node. To the new node. So top is holding the address of the new node. What is that? That is 1000. Correct? Now let's insert one more node. Create a node with data 20. With data 20. इसका next part should point where? It should point to the previous node. क्योंकि top पे कौन सी node आ रही है? Earlier top was pointing to this node. Now it is pointing to this node. तो जब deletion होगी तो सबसे पहले किसकी होगी? 20 की. Right? So this should point to the previous node. कैसे, कहां से आपको ये 1000 एड्रेस मिलेगा? 1000 is available in the top. So top से आपको ये वैल्यू मिल रही है. सो दिस न्यू नोड ऑफ डेटा इज इक्वल टू एक्स. कोई भी एलिमेंट आप ऐड कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट पार्ट में वैल्यू क्या आएगी? वॉट एवर वैल्यू इज अवेलेबल इन टॉप. तो न्यू नोड ऑफ नेक्स्ट में यहाँ पे वैल्यू क्या आ रही है? वॉट एवर वैल्यू इज अवेलेबल इन टॉप. What value is available in top? That is 1000. Let's assume that this node is created at the location 2000. तो मैम यहाँ पे नल था. स्टार्टिंग में आपके पास टॉप की वैल्यू नल ही थी. जब आपने फर्स्ट नोड ऐड किए तो उसके नेक्स्ट पार्ट में कौन सा एड्रेस आ रहा है? वॉट एवर वॉज अवेलेबल इन द नल, वॉट एवर वॉज अवेलेबल इन द टॉप. समझ में आया? तो इंसर्शन के लिए इज इट टेकिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ एन? Now I want to insert one node in the linked list, right? Now top is pointing to this node. Top is holding. Now top is equal to, top is pointing to the new node. Top becomes 2000. Make sense? Yes. After that, now let's create one more node with data 30. So new node of data, I want to take data 30. New node में data क्या आ गया 30. New node of next में value क्या आएगी? It will be pointing to the previous node and this value is available in the pointer variable top. So new node of next is nothing but that is top. So this will be pointing to the previous node. Previous node. So this was the first node that was inserted in the stack. Second node, third node. Let's assume that this node is created at location 3000. So new node of next is equal to top and then top will be pointing to the new node. Now this node is available at the top, which is available at the memory location 3000. So what is the complexity? Is it taking order of n? Order of n तब होगा बच्चे जब आप इसको traverse कर रहे हैं. Are you traversing the whole linked list? Insertion या deletion जब भी stack पे होती है, it is always done on the top of the stack. That is taking constant time. Is this clear? Yes? Haven't received any confirmation. So let's look at the code. I hope that how to insert a node in the linked list, that is clear to everyone. So let's look at the code. Steps, whatever we have mentioned, same steps we have followed here. P of data is equal to X, P of next is equal to top and top is equal to P. In my example, I have taken it as new node, right? So want to insert a node. Top pointer needs to be passed. कौन सी node add करनी है? That is with data x. बाकी आपके question के ऊपर depend करेगा what input is given. Accordingly you can pass the parameters. Struct node star p. This is going to hold the address of a new node. It is going to hold the address of the new node to be inserted. New node, create new node of next is equal to top is equal to new node, pop will be new node. Let me discuss, let me cover this and definitely I'll be going to the concept of pop. First of all, give me a confirmation regarding the push operation. Pop के केस में बच्चे यही होगा, it will be, top will be pointing to the previous node. See, जब आप pop करोगे, you want to delete this node. If you want to delete this node, so top, first of all, you can take the copy of top. Let me take this as P. Now, top will be pointing, you need to break this link. Top will be pointing to where? To top of next. So that is top is equal to top of next. What is top of next? That is 2000. So top will be pointing here. Top will be pointing here. And after that, you can update this value. That is top of next. Okay. So in this case, you need not to update this value. This is already pointing to this node. So this is representing the last node. So if you observe this, आपके पास linked list कैसे बन रही है? पहले आपके पास एक node create हुई. Null. If you look at this, so every time whenever you are creating a new node, that is added at the beginning. Before every time new node becomes the first node of the linked list. So this was created with 20 and this was pointing to the start. इसको आप बोल सकते हो this was the first node of the linked list. Now this will become the first node of the linked list, that is pointing to S. Yes, it's always like insertion at the beginning, and when you have to pop out the elements, it will always be like deleting the first node of the linked list. तो जब आप insertion या deletion करते हो at the beginning, do you need to traverse the linked list? In that case, do you need to traverse the linked list? No, it's not required. Right? Make sense? So this means that this is not going to take order of n, क्योंकि traversal is not required. I hope that now this is clear to everyone. So first of all, we have created a node. If p is equal to null, this means that memory is not allocated. Okay, ये किसका doubt था? I guess Lavjeet का. So Lavjeet, see, malloc function we had called, and in this case, the address which is returned by the malloc, that is typecasted and that is stored in the p. That is stored in the p, and if p is equal to null, this means that memory is not allocated. In that case, it will print an error message saying that stack overflow, and it will exit from the function. If it is created, if a node is created, then in that case you can initialize the values. P of data is equal to x and p of next is equal to top and top is equal to p. Ma'am, I thought traditional linked list without top pointers. So see, traditional linked list is like every time you are inserting. बच्चे जब आप traditional linked list क्रिएट करते हो तो कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है कि आपको हमेशा नोड को एंड पे ही ऐड करना है. इंसर्शन कैन बी डन एट एनी लोकेशन, राइट? बट डेफिनेटली इफ यू हैव टू इम्प्लीमेंट दिस, अगर आपके पास लिंक लिस्ट भी है, इन दैट केस ऑल्सो डायरेक्टली if I talk about the stack, here we are implementing the stack. We are not implementing the linked list with stack. We are implementing stack with linked list. तो focus किस पे होगा? Stack operations पे. And if you want to insert any element in the stack or you want to delete any element from the stack, that is going to take constant time. So you have to you have to write the code in such a manner that the insertion and deletion on a stack should take constant time. Make sense? Linked list तो किसी भी तरीके से work कर सकता है, but that is not our goal. Goal is to get to implement the functionality of stack, and the biggest advantage is insertion and deletion is going to take constant time. So I hope that the push operation is clear. Similarly, let's look at the pop operation. Pop के केस में क्या होगा? We have already considered one stack. So nodes are